Fabs and besties? What are we gonna do today? I don't know. Mini Toya is in the middle of a reroute, so she's not available to play. I've been wanting to remake our yoga studio. I think that would be a pretty fast craft. On Summer and Callie, they're always going to yoga class, so a new yoga studio would be useful. We're going to make it in a hidden doll room so it's easy to store. I'm using a foam board trifold for this project. When fully opened, it measures 28 by 40 inches. I cut 13 inches off the longest side, so I have a 13 by 40 inch piece of foam board. I score a line so I can bend it and have an 8-inch piece in the center. Let's score 2 more lines so we can create a little recess in the center. I trim 1.25 inches from the ends, otherwise it won't fit on my shelves. Whenever I make something, I always have to think about where am I going to store this. So now I'm going to glue this wall here because I don't want it to bend. Cut out windows, then use the leftover foam board to make a floor. I want this to fold up, so let's flip it over and score a line a little past the corner. And we're gonna have to make a small cut at that corner so it can bend and clear the side wall. Yeah, that should work. Let's cover the floor with a wood grain paper. I cover the walls with a white brick paper. Recycle clear plastic from packaging and cut it to fit the windows. Use tape to secure it to the back. Cut the cutouts from the windows into thin strips, 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch strips. Use the 1/4 inch strips to divide the window into panes. Glue the 1/2 inch pieces around it to frame the windows. Glue in the floor, but only in this little recess, so the walls can still fold up for easy storage. Yeah, we'll be able to store it just like that. Then fold it down when we are ready to play, giving us a nice basic space to use however we want. And with those windows, we can play with light and change the scenes behind them. Since the point of contact for the walls and the floor is just this area right here, I like to glue in something that adds a little more support. You could always make like a bookcase or something like that. I am going to use our radiator from our college dorm video. And I'm just gonna glue it right on the back, at the bottom, and behind it to add a little interest and still keep this space very neutral. I know we walked into this space thinking we were making a yoga studio, but if we leave it like this, it's an anything room. Add a table and chairs for an instant dining room scene, maybe a large chair, side table, a plant. This one is from Dolls Flowers Etsy shop. A book or two. These are some of our printables. We can also use the doll photography book by Bella Bella Doll on Instagram, and our lamp that we made in one of our YouTube lives for a quick scene. 4 doll photos. And of course, we can always use it for a yoga studio. Cut craft foam into 3.5 by 10 inch rectangles for an instant yoga mat. When you add more than one, it totally gives the feel. On YouTube Live, we made these yoga mats with a strap. The mat is removable. Well, it is. There we go. But when you curl the foam, it never really wants to go back to laying flat. So I like to keep a couple that are flat, like all the time, then keep a couple that stay rolled. So I'm going to tightly roll this piece of foam and use glue to secure the end. Then glue on ribbon, add a piece of ribbon across the top for a shoulder strap, and the dolls look ready for yoga. It's an easy, lightweight prop that we can just place in the room. Cut leftover foam board into small rectangles. Stack and glue a few together. Cover it with craft foam. I use a little paint to fill in the cracks and make a yoga block, completing our new yoga studio. I love the way this room turned out. It is a very simple project, and you get a versatile room. This took less than a day to craft, and I'm probably going to use it a lot for things like photo shoots or whenever I just need a quick, basic, neutral background. This is a pretty large space, about 34 inches wide and 13 inches tall. My floor is a little short coming this way, mainly because I was running out of scrapbook paper. If I can find this print again, I can extend the floor, but for right now, this works for me. And we can use this with other fashion dolls, like Harper Dune. I was walking through Target and saw this doll on the shelf, priced at $31.99. She comes with a plaid hat. It is made of fabric. You can even see some gold threads running through it. We also have a rainbow, because Rainbow High. You mean Pacific Coast High? Oh yeah, right. She's a part of that group. She has long blonde hair with a little bit of a beach wave. It is crunchy. To be honest, I do like the more neutral hair colors, but that is just me. Not saying that there is anything wrong with rainbow hair, it's just a personal preference. I like her makeup, even though she does have a little glitter above her eye. I like the lip color. It's kind of like a bronze. Her hair is very long. Check out some of the details on this hat. You can see a little button at the top and the back. Look at that. Wait, is that Velcro? It is. Oh, yes. It's all in the little things. She comes with some tan or sand colored shorts. They're a little frayed at the bottom. You can see the bottom of the pocket. Those are working pockets. Little gold detail here. No pockets in the back, but it does Velcro. She has flat feet with sandals. It looks like they wrap around a whole bunch. She does have an extra pair of legs for when you want to wear heels. Just pull off the lower leg, and I made it seem a lot easier than it is. It does take a little bit of effort. Then add the new one to go from flats to heels. This doll has a two-piece bathing suit with rainbow printed on the elastic. The top velcros in the back. And let's see if the fit fits. And yes, it does. It's a little snug on the top, but it's a stretchy fabric, so you can make it work. It is a tiny bit loose on the bottom, but that's not gonna stop me from rocking it this summer. And our Barbies can fit the shorts as well. I bet our Rainbow High doll can fit these Barbie black leggings. Yep, instantly turning our beach look into a yoga vibe. Tying it all back into our DIY yoga studio. See what I did there? She comes with sunglasses, a large beach towel. I'm loving these beach towels. They are large enough for the dolls to lay on them, and they have fun prints. That was upside down. There we go. And the bags. Mini Fashion has us going crazy right now for those designer-inspired bags, and I feel like Rainbow Highs can totally hold their own. This is also a fabric bag. I like the stitching. Everything seems pretty nice and neat. We have stitching on the front, but the handles are plastic. I don't know if that's a deal breaker for you, but I think it is a cute bag. She also comes with a doll stand and a comb. And we can put a little rolled up piece of craft foam inside her bag to look like a yoga mat, so she is prepared for class. Thank you for joining us while we made a yoga studio in a hidden doll room. You know what? Maybe we should add one of our paper plants from one of our 7 quick crafts video. What do you think? A little touch of green's always nice. And checked out Harper Dune from Rainbow High, Pacific Coast. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. and we will see you next time